guys, now we're gonna ride the trains at Terminal E. Yep, watch the door close.
Please stand clear of the doorway.
Here we
When
go.
the doorway is clear, we will continue our trip.
You know what? I'll just stand.
Manténgase a una distancia segura de la puerta. Una vez la entrada
Oh, this
esté
is
despejada,
unusual.
continuaremos
This
nuestro
is
viaje.
like Terminal A.
This is?
No, I mean when the announcement was happening like that. And that's funny. We didn't even get the announcement going on saying you are at Terminal C. Hold on to the handrail.
Ah, okay.
That announcement. That's hilarious. But there's the other subway train which is arriving. It's a little bit shaky, but that's okay. Yep. That's the light show up there. And also, where we'll be coming up, we will also see a parking elevator too. That's a ThyssenKrupp elevator that goes to the Terminal C and E parking garage. Yep. Now we are arriving at Terminal E. My phone's about to run low on battery, so I'm just gonna hurry the video. Yep, here we are. I made it just in time. My mom's coming home today also from Mexico City.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she's flying. Yeah, she's
I'm
flying.
flying to Mexico.
Yeah, she's flying United to Mexico.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I live in Guanajuato.
And
Guanajuato is a state in Mexico.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
I think I remember going there when I was 9 years old.
Really?
Yeah, when I was a little kid.
And how many videos do you have?
Oh, I have like, I have so many videos. But I started my, but I'll,
This
but I
is
have to say,
terminal what?
this is E. This is E. Yes, this is E. This is E. Well, we'll let these people go first.
Yes.
I was about to reach. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome.
And your mama, right? Oh.
Yeah, she's arriving at E, International Arrivals. I'm just gonna get one. No, never mind. The train's fixing to leave. No, we can watch it leave real fast.
Por favor, manténgase a una distancia
I'm in a little bit of a hurry, but
Una vez
no,
la
never mind. There goes the
entrada
train.
esté despejada, continuaremos nuestro viaje.
Oh, that's hilarious. This song played in the summer of last year. Alright, let's go. We're gonna go ahead and take the MPE up. Located in Terminal C. And these are also the ThyssenKrupp elevators too. And once again, that's the ThyssenKrupp escalator. As well as the Schindler escalators that go up to the international arrivals area. Yep, there's the music speakers up here once again. Alright. Try and get one last view of the music speaker right here. Music speaker right here. There's All in All by Lifehouse too. Okay, now let's go. My phone's about to die pretty soon. Or I'm sorry, run out of battery. I'm going to walk up these escalators. Ooh, jeez. And that's it.